What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. Now, you may say, Average Tech Guy, you actually reviewed this same thing a couple of months ago, but this is a different one. This is the special limited anniversary edition of the SuperBox S1 Plus. It now has 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and today we're going to be checking this one out. As far as unboxing this thing, you guys know what is on the inside of it. You're going to get the actual device itself. Now, same device that I really just went over about a month or two ago. Same exact device. On the back, HDMI, AV jack, Ethernet port, and you actually have your power input right there, and this spot is for your antenna. SuperBox S1 Plus looks exactly the same. You got your power adapter right here. You got your HDMI cable right here. And you got your remote right here. Then you get your antenna and your instructions down in the box. So you may be saying to yourself, why would you redo a video on this same device? Well, I'm looking through a lot of my comments, and people had a lot of negative things to say about this box. Now, granted, this box, the first one cost $299. This one is going to cost you $399. But you're going to be able to get rid of your cable bill by getting one of these boxes. So it's a one-time fee, and I have not had any issues. Now, a lot of people were saying, oh, something's going to happen. You're going to get revoked and you're not going to be able to watch anything. Well, I've had this thing for months now, and not saying that's a long time, but so the logic I'm using behind this is simple. Let's say your cable bill is anywhere around mine. It's like $150. That's cable as well as internet, and you got to have the internet in order to use this. So keep that in mind. Got to have the internet, right? So let's say we just split that in half, 75. So that's 150. What we want to do now is take away 75 of that and just say, hey, we have the internet now. We got rid of the 75 for the cable. We got the internet. And what we want to do is buy one of these boxes, $300, $400. 75 times 4 is 300. I've had my box 3 to 4 months now. So the money, even if I did just spend the money on this box one time, it lasted 3 to 4 months. That was 3 to 4 months worth of my cable bill that I had. Now, hopefully this will keep working. Like, I've never had an experience with this type of box, but a lot of people were saying this thing is not going to work long. It's a piece of garbage. It's a piece of trash. This thing has been one of the best entertainment boxes that I have had, and I'll show you why. You see, when you actually connect this thing and you get it all hooked up, you download everything that you need to download as far as your video on demand from Blue, as well as your TV stations from Blue. You get all those things downloaded, and then you can start browsing. Now, tons of movies. Never had an issue with movies. Watching movies, the kids get to watch whatever movies, and these are brand new movies sometimes. Sometimes we watch classic movies. But then when it comes to TV shows and watching your television programs, you have the gambit. It's over 1,000 channels on here, guys. And I don't think I made this as clear in the first video. You get your local channels. If you scroll up into maybe like either the 400s or the 600s, it starts running into basically local channels for each state. And you got your local Fox, you got your local NBC, you got all those local channels. So you get your local TV, you get super cable TV, you get around the world TV, you get specific movie channels that are based on one character, or you get specific movie channels based on one genre, or you get specific TV channels based on one show. You get Seinfeld TV, you get Martin TV, you get old school like Andy Griffith, all that kind of stuff. You get all those shows. So I've had no issues with this. If you cut the cable, I guarantee you will be satisfied. So that's it, guys. 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage on here. You can plug in your keyboards, your mice, different things like that. All those peripherals work. You can download the Google Play Store on here. You got video on demand. You got TV shows. You got local channels. You got everything you need built into here. $3.99. Cut the cable. Get smart. Get a SuperBox. Hopefully you'll be able to check this out for yourself. So until next time, give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.